No, there's 3 from the top one. You just look at it. Hey! What up?
Oh, why?
It's your last day.
You guys are so fucking irritating. I fucking hate you guys so much.
Come back, come back.
I'm not moving it.
Yeah, you clean this shit up.
No, you're
Yeah.
cleaning that shit up. Because I'm gonna write all your schools. I have a list. You're so fucking irritating. I can't with you guys. I'm so done. I'm so done with them.
Follow him, follow him.
I'm so done with you. I'm so done.
Oh shit!
Bye.
What'd he do? I'm so done with that. That was really good. 100%.
Bye, Renee.